Scott. Look at this crowd. This is amazing. Who doesn't love Truckfest?
I think we'll point out what he's doing here, Todd. He's trying to ensure that he has a safe takeoff. Normally these cars clutch under that weight. That Volvo was having none of it.
I think he's ready, Scott.
Wow, okay.
Hey, he's ready. Hey, who wants to help me count him down? Let's let him count me. Help me count him down, guys. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Looks like you got a little sideways there, Scott.
Just a bit. Hopefully you caught that on your smartphones. If you are going to post it on social media, remember that hashtag Truckfest Scotland. The best images posted over the course of the weekend win family passes for next year's event. He seems to come down on a side there, Todd.
Yeah, he was talking about it being slick because of the rain conditions of what he isn't getting.
So once again, he'll ensure that that takeoff position is safe. I'm amazed that that Volvo hasn't just collapsed, but you can see how well built it really is.
Here you guys! Let's see, hey, the louder he hears you count down, the harder he's gonna hit this. Are you ready? Help me count it down in 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, magnificent. Absolutely magnificent.
I can't imagine what it feels like to sit in there and feel that front fork.
He's obviously very happy with that one. He's got a big smile on his face and he's waving to the crowd as he comes round. That was some height. I'll tell you what, and some acceleration as well, Todd.
Oh, these things have massive horsepower. I think when we talked to them before, they run around 1,800, 1,900 horsepower. Just a massive amount of pure muscle.
Okay, he's lining up.
Okay, you guys, like I said, the louder, the more he can hear you, the harder he's going to hit it. Help me count it down. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, go!
He almost cleared all four.
Got it that time. Wow!
Over the hill, is it a monster? Is it a monster?
Wow, fantastic. He's going to do another one for us as well. Again, remember, get your camera phones at the ready. If you're going to shoot some video, post that on Facebook or YouTube as well. Remember that hashtag Truckfest Scotland. He's loving this.
Oh man, Tony really knows how to put on a good show, doesn't he? Okay, you guys, everybody in the arena, let's really let him hear us counting down. Everybody help me, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! He cleared him that time, didn't he, Scott?
Oh, way to go!
Wow!
Way to go!
Amazing! How was that, you guys?
Punching the air. He's pleased with that one.
That was awesome!
And he's coming back for more. Oh, he's parking on top.
Just go ahead and park it right there, Tony.
That's the money shot. Go on. Oh, how good was that?
Oh, you guys! Everybody give it up for Tony and the Swamp Thing! Let him hear ya! Woo! Man, that's a lot of muscle, Scott.
Good grief. Well, that's one way to park, I guess, isn't it? Let's